Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey through the history of robotics, exploring its key milestones and the trends shaping its future. Let's get started. The concept of robotics dates back to ancient times, with myths of mechanical beings like the Greek automaton Talos. Fast forward to the Renaissance, where Leonardo da Vinci sketched plans for a humanoid robot. In the 18th and 19th centuries, inventors created intricate mechanical devices, such as Jacques de Vaucanson's famous mechanical duck. The 20th century marked the birth of modern robotics. In 1921, Karel Čapek introduced the term robot in his play RUR. The 1940s and 50s saw the creation of early robots like Electro, a humanoid robot exhibited at the 1939 New York World's Fair. In 1961, UNIS, the first industrial robot, revolutionized manufacturing by working on General Motors' assembly line. The late 20th century brought advances like Honda's Asimo, showcasing impressive mobility and human-robot interaction. The 1970s to 90s saw significant advances in industrial robotics, with robotic arms becoming essential in automotive assembly lines, increasing efficiency and precision. NASA's space exploration robots, like the Mars rovers, expanded our understanding of the universe. Robotics research also advanced in medical applications, leading to the development of robotic surgical systems. The 2000s and 2010 witnessed the integration of AI with robotics, enabling robots to perform more complex tasks. Autonomous drones became widely used for military, commercial, and recreational purposes. Robotic pets like Sony's AIBO gained popularity, and AI-powered robots like SoftBank's Pepper started interacting with humans in more intuitive ways. In recent years, collaborative robots, or cobots, have emerged, working alongside humans in various industries. Healthcare robotics has advanced with robots assisting in surgeries, rehabilitation, and elder care. Advanced humanoid robots, like Boston Dynamics Atlas, demonstrate remarkable agility and balance, pushing the boundaries of robotics research. Looking ahead, robotics continues to evolve rapidly. Key trends include deeper integration with AI for more autonomous and intelligent systems, ethical considerations in human-robot interactions, and advancements in robotic prosthetics, enhancing human capabilities. As we look to the future, the potential for robotics is vast, from transforming industries to enhancing our daily lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of robotics.